World Test Championship will finally come to its climax when India will take on New Zealand in the finals on June 18. Featuring 9 out of 12 test playing nations, World Test Championship began its journey on August 1st, 2019 during Ashes at Birmingham. Over the last 2 years, the tournament have witnessed some stiff battles like Border Gavaskar Trophy, Ashes, all for the top two spots. In the end, India came out as the table topper and New Zealand was able to grab the second position. And now it's time for the ultimate battle. The battle which will decide who will win the crown. And this battle will take place on June 18 at the Ageas Bowl, Southampton. The Kiwis have already shown their strength by winning a test series 1-0 over England, and India have shown their strength by beating Australia in their own backyard. So the stage is all set and there is a massive interest in the nature of pitch. Usually, the pitch of Rose Bowl cricket ground is dry and devoid of grass, which is ideal for batsmen and spin bowlers. In the beginning, the wicket is flatter and thus excellent for batting, and an average of 300 plus are common on this ground. But recently, Simon Lee, the Hampshire curator, said that he is trying to create a pitch which has some pace, bounce, and carry. So, one thing is sure that we are gonna see a hard pitch with some pace in it, and as the days will pass, spin will come into play. Do you remember 2019 World Cup semi-finals? How after first innings rain came into play and second innings was shifted for the next day, and New Zealand bowling lineup destroyed India's batting attack. Therefore, it becomes very important to know the weather conditions. The Southampton weather is predicted to remain sunny with a temperature between 70 to 20 degrees Celsius in day. But there could be short spells of rains too, especially on day 2, 3 and 4. And the short spells of rain will definitely affect the result in one way or another. In the WTC finals, ICC has decided to use BSI Grade 1 Duke balls. The Duke ball is fully handcrafted for the use at the highest level of the game. The very best selection of the premium alum tanned English leather goes through top secret pre-production process in the Duke factory to ensure very best level of performance. Due to England overcast conditions and the green top pitches, all help Duke balls to retain the seam and shape, and hence it tends to swing more. The World Test Championship final will be the first match for our man in blue with a new set of rules for test matches. So let's have a look at these new changes. The first one is player review. The fielding captain or the dismissed batsman may confirm with the umpire whether a genuine attempt has been made to play the ball prior to deciding whether to initiate a player review for LBW or not. The second rule is DRS review. For LBW reviews, the height margin of the wicket zone has been lifted to the top of the stumps to ensure the same umpire call margin around the stumps for both height and width. The third is short run. The third umpire will automatically review any call of a short run by the on-field umpire and communicate the decision to the on-field umpire prior to the next ball being bowled. So these are some of the changes which are initiated by ICC to avoid any kind of misunderstanding between players, on-field umpire and third umpire. Like in every cricket game, World Test Championship will also have 3 umpires, 2 on-field umpires and 1 off-field umpire. Richard Illingworth and Michael Gove will be the 2 on-field umpires, whereas Richard Kettleborough will be the TV umpire. Do you know Richard Kettleborough was the on-field umpire in every knockout game India has lost since 2014? हाँ भाई हाँ, डर का माहौल है. But let's hope India can fight both New Zealand and Kettleborough and win the World Test Championship trophy. Let's talk about India versus New Zealand rivalry. Total 59 test matches have been played between India and New Zealand, out of which 21 are won by India, 12 are won by New Zealand and 26 were drawn. India clearly have an upper hand in this rivalry. But the last time these two teams met in white colours, New Zealand was able to clean sweep India, winning the series by 2-0. This is a fight between two best teams, number 1 and number 2 team. So one thing is sure, both teams will try to win the championship. And in case of a draw, there is a good news for New Zealand. There will be no super over, no boundary count, but both teams will share the trophy. This was it from our side. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends, and please tell us in the comment section whom do you think will win the World Test Championship. Thank you everyone.